Chef Inder, and today we will be demonstrating a Mexican dish called Southwestern Sauteed Corn. It is a very simple and easy dish which can be made at home using very minimum ingredients. The ingredients which we are using are lemon, spring onions, coriander, butter, salt, red capsicum and corn. Here we are going to add butter, about 3 dollops of butter, and we will let it melt. So you should know that corn is one of the oldest grains in the world, and it was usually discovered about 10,000 years ago. So as the butter is melting, I am going to add about 200 grams of thawed Sumeru frozen corn. And we will saute it for about 2 minutes over a medium flame. While this is getting sauteed, let me tell you, the corn is rich in vitamin B12, folic acid and iron. It is also an essential ingredient which helps in anti-aging. About 200 grams of corn has 125 calories. It is also rich in proteins. It has got vitamin C as well. So this ingredient has 7 ingredients. You can include more, you can include less. So these are the basic ingredients which are found in your pantry. As the corn is sauteing, in the next step, we are going to add about a couple of tablespoons of red bell pepper. You can use green bell pepper, you can use yellow bell pepper, whichever is available at your kitchen. So this ingredient, corn here, is very versatile. Not only you can make a sauteed corn or a buttered corn, you can make patties out of it, you can convert it into a burger, you can make pulao, you can make a soup out of this. So it's a very versatile ingredient, and most chefs would like to work with corn than other ingredients. This is available throughout the year, and especially in the frozen mode. You can get it anywhere near your supermarket. Now this corn has sauteed very nicely. It's been almost 90 seconds since we have been cooking this. We will add some spring onions, about 2 tablespoons. Chopped fresh coriander, about 2 tablespoons. We're going to add salt, about half a tablespoon, and we're going to finish it with a squeeze of lemon. About 2 lemon wedges squeezed onto the corn. How beautiful it looks. As I'm preparing this, my mouth is watering. This is one simple dish which I can eat anytime with a hot cup of coffee. And now our corn is ready. So I always like to use frozen food at home, because frozen food is available across any supermarket. Then again, availability is not an issue. I can use a product which might not be available in December, and it makes my life very easy. In fact, Sumeru uses this technology called individually quick frozen. I'll tell you what is IQF, individually quick frozen. This is a process wherein single grain of vegetable is frozen individually, which retains nutrition and goodness, and the end result is the texture, the freshness of the product is retained. I will be plating this dish now, and you can see how beautiful it looks. It's a very simple and easy recipe. If you have any other ingredients such as jalapenos, olives, peri peri seasoning, in fact, you can use that. This is done and it looks something like this. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Do tune in for our next video, which will be airing live very soon. Thank you so much for your time. Have a happy